rainbow. It's two rainbows. See that? It's two rainbows. Zoom in for y'all. I'll blur that house for y'all. How do I zoom in? See guys? One rainbow's going away, but there's basically a double rainbow. It's a double rainbow. I have to blur all these houses, you know. I have to blur everything besides, you know, when I do this, everything's blurred. And even my face will be, well, maybe not that, but I have to blur that house right there because I don't want to get sued. But anyway, guys, that rainbow is going away a little bit, but it's a double rainbow, guys. Why is my Morphe spray triplet? It's like freaking amazing. It's hot outside. So yeah, what's up? Double rainbow, guys.
I caught it.
Caught what? I said there's a rainbow. There's one rainbow, there's two. Do you think this video is going to go viral? No, it's probably going to get like 1 view. That's it. Like it always does. So yeah, there's a double rainbow, guys. I have to blur the house so I don't get sued. I don't want to get sued, so I'm probably going to blur the houses. Right? I'm going to blur everything besides the rainbow parts.
In the fence.
Huh?
In the fence.
I'm not really going to.
Nope.
You know, I wish that I could go back to New Year's video and blur my mom, because, whoa! No way. Music, music, don't listen, don't listen, don't listen. Do not listen,
Okay.
do not
I wish there was.
No.
Now here's busy. I'm kind of after you.
Anyway, yep, goodbye. See you in the next one. Double rainbow. Peace out. I'm out. See ya.